Well, there it is. And here we are at one of the most famous racetracks in the world, Sebring International Raceway. Now this is the new 2022 IS500 F Sport Performance Launch Edition, one of just 500 units that'll be produced of this very special vehicle. I've been pounding around the racetrack for the last 2 days in this baby, and I'm excited to share some of the unique details about the Launch Edition. Now this is the first model in the all-new F Sport Performance line that sits between the F Sport and a full-blown F car. This is something for the consumer that wants a little bit more performance out of F Sport. Now this is not an ISF, but it's not meant to be. Who knows what the future of Lexus performance vehicles looks like, but I can tell you right now, it's a great time to be a Lexus enthusiast. Now you might be wondering what makes the Launch Edition different than the IS500. Well, on the exterior, two things: the color and the wheels. Let's start with the color. Incognito, they call it, and I think it's fitting for a car that truly is a sleeper. Now the wheels are 19-inch 7-spoke forged alloys, BBS, in matte black that look pretty menacing. They work so well with the spindle grille up front. Now inside, you're going to love the black and gray ultra suede on the seats, the door trim, and the center console. And just in front of the shifter is the serialized number plate that celebrates your vehicle's position in the very limited run of 500 units. So I mentioned already that I've spent the last couple of days enjoying this new IS500 Launch Edition, and I want to share with you my initial impressions. I think first and foremost, the V8. How can you ignore almost 500 horsepower tucked into a four-door sedan like this? It has all of the grunt and linear power delivery that you want out of a naturally aspirated V8. Second, let's talk about braking. All of the development that Lexus engineers have done back at the Shimeyama test track in Japan has resulted in this great new two-piece front rotor combination, 14 inches, and it really helps to dissipate heat. It's great to know as I'm going around the racetrack, diving into the brake zones, challenging every corner, that I know I'm going to have cool, consistent performing brakes. That just gives you huge confidence as a driver. And third, let me tell you about Lexus refinement and luxury. I know that sounds weird because I'm a racer, but I got to tell you, when you're done pounding on the racetrack, one of the best things about this car is it's lost none of that Lexus refinement. You can head back to the hotel after a fun day at the track and have all of that serene comfort that you expect from Lexus vehicles. We're thrilled by the interest we've received from Lexus enthusiasts around the world about the new IS500. We want you to know that not only are we listening to your feedback, but we're responding. And we think this is proof that your passion is helping to drive Lexus performance forward every day.